Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making the most moist and delicious banana nut bread. This recipe was requested by one of my subscribers, so today I have decided to share it with you guys. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, start by greasing your loaf pan and set it aside. Now we're gonna mix all our dry ingredients. In my bowl I have all-purpose flour, in goes baking soda and salt. Then I'm gonna give it a good mix. Then set it aside. Now we're gonna move on to wet ingredients. I have 4 medium bananas, spotted, soft, and ripe. I'm gonna peel them and put them in a bowl. Using a fork, mash them up into a puree. If you're gonna leave chunks on your banana bread, you can go ahead and do that. I like mine rather smooth. Our mashed up bananas looks good. Now I'm gonna whisk eggs, then add them to the bananas. Add sugar along with vegetable oil. Add vanilla extract and banana essence. Using a whisk, we're gonna mix everything until well incorporated. This recipe is so easy guys, you don't even need a mixer. Next, we're gonna add flour in 2 batches. If you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up. This banana nut bread is so delicious and moist. I promise you guys, if you try this recipe, you will never buy store-bought banana nut bread again. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So we're gonna mix. Our batter looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and stir in nuts. Next, we're gonna pour the mixture into a greased loaf pan. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna go ahead and bake this for 50 to 60 minutes.